Prep Test 68, Game 1, Question 4. Which of the following could be true? So we're going to pull up our master diagram again. We're going to write in a couple of rules that didn't fit in here to begin with. We know that we can't have L or M here because this is the first space where K can go, and this rule gets in the way of L and M can't go there. So with that in mind, which could be true? Could J come before K? Well, J is only in these two spaces, and K, the latest K can go, is here in A2. So there's no way that that could be true. What about J before L? Well, the only place J could come before L would be right here, and that would not allow M to follow L. So that can't be true. What about J before P? Well, in that same scenario, what if we replaced J or L with P? P is a floater in this game. There's not a lot of rules about it. So can we fit everything else in? Well, we could put K, L, M, and that leaves us with O and N. We have no information about N or O, so they can go anywhere we want them to, and this certainly seems to work. Let's check the remaining two. M before both N and O. So if M came before both N and O, it would also mean that it came before J. So we could place, we could place N right there, O, M, we need L, and that forces K to be somewhere in the morning, and that's not allowed, so this is not possible. Finally, can K come before both N and P? So let's check that out. We'll try it up here again. So if we place P and N at the end, we trace M and L here. That once again forces K to be in the morning, and that does not work, so that confirms that C is the answer we're looking for.